Hi everyone. In this session, we'll learn how to use onSubmit client scripts in real-time scenarios. So let's take a use case. Today, we are taking incident table as an example for our example use case. So let's open incidents. You can take any in-progress incident as per requirement. So let's open this incident. So the scenario is when a user wants to change this incident state to cancel state. Okay, when a user wants to cancel the particular incident. Okay, when a user select the cancel state and save it, it will automatically save and the incident is cancelled, right? So let's say they want to restrict the user and give a warning instead of directly canceling that particular incident. So for that purpose, we need to create a on submit. We can create a on submit client script. So let's create a on submit client script and check how it will work. Open client scripts and let's create a new client script based on requirement. We can name it as per our use case. So it is loading. I am naming it as warning for cancellation. So table should be incident as we are writing it on incident table. So select table as incident and UI type you can keep all, and in the type you have to select on submit class script. Then open any in progress incident or new as well, anyone is fine, to check the state value as we are configuring this client script using state value. So first we need to get state value. For that we'll declare a variable and we'll get the value of the state field. Dot get value, we'll use get value to get the state fields value. Here you can see the backend value of the state. So it is state, and here comes the condition if st is equals to, we need to select cancelled value here. So for that, let's go to dictionary, open states dictionary, and in the choices you can find cancelled value. So here the cancel value is for the incident table. Just take table name here. So you can find the cancel value on the incident table. As you can see, incident table cancel value is 8. Okay, so let's give 8 here. See, if state is 8, then we can throw a error message using confirm method. So for that we can write where, just declare a variable to confirm, where con equals to confirm of, here we can give a custom message to the user whoever is cancelling the incident. So I'm writing as, are you sure you want to cancel this incident? Okay, so based on your use case you can add a custom message as well. So we can also write click OK to continue. So based on your use case we can customize the message. Then if user clicks OK, we have to write like if of con, then here we have to write return true, then only the form will be submitted. If user clicks true, then only the form will be submitted. Otherwise, if user cancel that, so we have to write here else return false, so that the form will not be submitted. So by this way you can configure that, and let's save it and let's check how it is working. Okay, so here you can see incident. Let's change it to cancel. Let's reload the incident. As it is a new client script, we have to reload the form, and let's change it to cancel state and trying to save it. See, you can get that warning. Are you sure you want to continue want to cancel the incident? Click OK to continue. Just if the user clicks OK, then only it will submit. Otherwise, not. Just click cancel, so it won't submit to the server. Otherwise, it will submit to the server. And user click OK. and that incident will be closed. So this way you can configure the onSubmit line scripts in real-time scenarios. Thank you.